Hi everyone, I'm here today to walk you through the install of Checklist as a service in your Microsoft Teams. If English is not your first language, do not worry, it's not mine either. You can use the auto translate caption feature that is available in YouTube. Okay, let's get started. So, open your Microsoft Teams if not yet done, and then you need to choose where you're going to install Checklist as a service. It needs to be added in a channel. So I believe that you're going to probably do some tests before adding Checklist in one of your existing teams. So let's create a test teams for the moment. Okay, create my teams, test team, and then let's go checklist channel. I'm going to invite my colleagues for that test. Adele, Alexa. Okay. Okay, my channel is ready. Now what I'm going to do is that I'm going to add checklist in my Microsoft Teams. So here we go. I add checklist. Click add. Okay, what I've done at this stage is that I added checklist as a personal app, and here is the personal app. Okay, now what I need to do, the last step, is that I need to add checklist in a Microsoft Teams channel. So I'm going to come back to the channel I created earlier, and then I'm going to add checklist to this channel so that everybody can collaborate. Okay, I need to authenticate to checklist app, and then okay, authentication is done. I need to give some permission to the app so that the app can run smoothly. Okay, I'm going to give a name to that instance. Checklist. This is the name of the tabulation, and that's it. So you have added your first checklist instance in that channel. You are ready to go and start your trial. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial video. If you need any further assistance, feel free to contact us using the link that is available in the description. I wish you a happy trial. Bye bye.